I'm gonna fold. Now I can open and close because I need the space. Just showing you that you just need to bring your drawer or your box with all the scraps you have, and the ideas are going to come out from your head instantly. The cherry on the cake is gonna be this half butterfly. Hello, this is Maria here, and this is part 2 of the finishing touches I am giving to this amazing journal that has been with me since June 2023. So I did already part 1 and this is part 2. I can probably do part 2 and part 3 because I still have a lot to check and a lot to fill with images and more ideas. So in this page I have places to fly. That makes me think about butterflies. She reminds me a lot about monarch butterflies because of that polka dots around the wings, and so I want to have her around here because it's about places to fly. But the thing is that not so long ago I glued this in this page, and now I feel like I don't want it here because I need the space. I want to do my best so I can get rid of this. You know that you can always go with your hair dryer, and then when it's hot it's gonna be easier to detach, but it's fine. Look, I can use it in another place because I really want to have her here. It reminds me too much about butterflies. So now I need to cover this is too bad because I wish they were like in the right way so I can use them as her wings, like so. I have this half butterfly. I can just put it here so it can go like up and down. I make this out of a box. I cut it in 8 different elements. I'm gonna link the video here and also down below so you can see everything I did in that video, and I made out of one single box. So that's gonna be super fun to watch. I'm gonna split the butterfly into 2 parts, and this is gonna be a new idea, and I'm gonna cut right in the center of the body, and so I can have half here on the left, and I'm gonna have the other piece or half of butterfly on the other side. It's right here. Wow, a great idea. I'm always telling you that ideas are gonna flow from your imagination. So that's what we have. What a fun idea. I really like it very much. And now I'm gonna glue the lady. She is moving up and down, waiting for me. And here, actually this is a male monarch butterfly. It has those 2 little things there. That is a male butterfly. You see that there? And this is a female, doesn't have those 2 little marks there. And now let's go with the beautiful lady I have here. I love the purse. Guys, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It has the handle, has pearls, and it's like velvet, black velvet. And look at that ring. I'm in love with this. Beautiful image. What about if the butterfly looks like coming out from her dress? I'm gonna fold. Wish me good luck in this. I just want to make a line or a cut. Oh, wait a minute. I'm having my small scissors here. I want to make a cut so I can have the butterfly popping out from her dress. You see, I didn't plan it, anything I'm doing in this video. As soon as your hands start moving and creating, then your brain is gonna follow. I'm gonna cut here. I want it to look like it's coming out from the dress. Yes. Wow, I like it. I never thought I was going to do this in this page. Actually, you notice it, right? Because I glued this and I already took it off. You know, I can always come back and finish adding more glue or whatever it is needed, but I need to do it with you in the video as much as I can because this is part 2 already. But I'm just gonna leave it like that because I already cut it this way. So yes, it's coming out, it's flying up, popping out of the dress. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. And actually, what a coincidence, because I did the fish coming out from here. You see the cut I have here, so the fish is coming out, and now I'm having the butterfly coming out from the dress. I guess it's really cool, it's really nice. And I'm going to have her antennas here. So I really like this page. The cherry on the cake is gonna be this butterfly, this half butterfly. I'm just gonna put it here. Places to fly. What? This is extremely, extremely nice. Oh my goodness, what a page. I wasn't thinking about doing anything like this. Oh my goodness, I am in love with this page now. Wow, look at that, it's interactive. Look, flying butterflies. This is what we have. I love it, and I'm gonna make this the cover, the thumbnail for the video. Don't forget that you can always click in here in my picture in the end, and then you'll be subscribed to my channel, or you can do it here in this little arrow, or you can leave me a comment down below, or you can leave me a thumbs up, whatever you want and whatever you like to do. I hope I inspire you with these ideas I place in this amazing journal that I love so much. I see you in my next episode. Bye bye, stay safe, and bye guys.